Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a cheese pasta. So the first thing we want to do is drop our pasta into the salted boiling water. We're going to cook that for just about 7 minutes or so. And then we're going to add our peas for the last couple of minutes of cooking so that we can quickly blanch those. And then we'll drain it all, wipe out the pot, and come back and add in our additional ingredients. We've got some condensed milk, some eggs, some cheese, butter, a little bit of ham, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Alright, so we've got a couple more minutes left on our pasta, so it's time to go ahead and drop in our peas. Give that a quick stir. Need to just go for a couple more minutes and then we will drain. Okay, so now we're ready to drain our peas and our pasta. Okay, so now we're going to add these back to the pot. Got the heat turned down to low. Going to add in our butter. A quick stir. As our butter is melting, we're going to add in our condensed milk, which we've seasoned. We're also going to add in our eggs. Let's stir. Alright, so now we're going to also add in our cheese. Add part now and save the rest for a little closer to the end. We're going to let this cook. Okay, so our egg is cooking. It's kind of thickening up our mixture here with our cheese and our condensed milk. Let's go for a couple more minutes, and once the eggs have cooked, then we're going to add our ham, the rest of our cheese, and our parm, and we'll finish the dish off. Just a couple more minutes until those eggs have cooked. Alright, so now we're ready to add the remaining cheese, our ham, and our parm. Give this a stir. We're going to do this long enough for the ham to heat through. And then we'll plate up the dish and show you the finished product.